Drinking tea versus lose weight. Drinking tea can actually help you lose weight. Although experts are divided on exactly how healthy green tea is, there is no doubt that it has some health benefits. Firstly, green tea shares all the health benefits that are thought to come from black tea, except in a more effective form, as the tea is fresher. Tea can help reduce your chances of getting heart disease by up to half, as well as fight dental plaque and cavities. Means although it will also stain your teeth if you don't make sure to drink plenty of water and brush regularly, so watch out. Drinking tea also burns more calories than just taking caffeine in pill form, as your body has to cool down the hot drink once it is inside you, and that takes energy. Tea can often burn more calories than it contains, meaning that could potentially help you to lose weight if you drink enough of it. Strangely enough, tea is also thought to affect the color of your hair if you drink it in sufficient quantities. Black tea will make your hair darker, while green tea will make it a little redder. It sounds too far-fetched to be true, but many women swear by it, particularly in the USA. Unfortunately, there is also no shortage of people willing to claim that green tea will help you with whatever condition is fashionable at the moment. For that reason, read this list with some skepticism. It's up to you if you want to believe in green tea, or if it makes you personally feel better, but little has been proven scientifically either way. Green tea has been mooted as a cure for cancer, Alzheimer's, arthritis, multiple sclerosis, heart disease, cardiovascular disease, and HIV. But if it worked, surely we'd all be drinking it by now? For weight loss solution. If you want to lose weight very fast, then a product link is given in the description. Go to the video description, click on and buy from there with a special discount. Let's catch you in the next video. Do not forget to hit subscribe button for more videos on weight loss.